as you. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is Florence Castle, your candidate number 5.
And the most beautiful thing in the world cannot see or even touch. This must be filled by the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Ginny Bacloriano, 14 and proud to present the barangay in Nagdaman Northeast and Nagdaman Sur, Dawas Sur, Dawas Centro, and Dawas Northeast. Again, I am candidate number 6, saying, ang tantas ng talaga, maitog, madalog, apang sa buruso. That's all, baby.